Okay, this is a quick video, not quite quick, but it will take some time. Is to use this EDPS Cal buffer for this client-to-client gateway application. Okay, so this is the application. Okay, whereby you have this client. Okay, usually this client is linked to below is probably is a so-called server. Okay, but for this case it's actually a client to a client. Okay, we have two clients here, and it's connecting to probably to a different port number. Probably here is 502 and this is 503. Okay, and this for this particular user case or example, okay, the holding register is automatic assigned to the input register, and the holding register of here is actually assigned to this input. Quite straightforward application, and it's also quite common, in my own opinion. Okay, for this kind of master or for this kind of multiple client application for the gateway. Okay, but for our software, it doesn't work this way. You see, we can have this configuration of a server over here and a server over here with this port number of 502 and 503, and probably you may say, hey, why I just do a mapping, but it doesn't work this way. Okay, it doesn't work this way. But a workaround is we need to configure EDPS buffer memory over here, where then there's this internal mapping, then it will work. Okay, so that's why this video is dedicated to this EDPS buffer memory configuration to make this thing work. Okay, so first thing first, let me open up my PC. Okay, which is this guy over here. This is my PC. Okay, so let's open up okay, I already opened up a project. Okay, and I already create the project and the web environment. Okay, over the server side, okay, let me click a new server, and I select a Modbus TCP server. Okay, and over here right click and I select network. Let me do it quickly, okay, so that we don't waste time. Okay, and this is 502. Okay, and press OK. So come to here. Okay, need to change this to server, not server, TCP IP. Okay, right click. Okay, right click and press OK. Okay, this is our first server, which is 502. Okay, let's right click again and create a new server. Okay, and Modbus, press OK. Okay, let's repeat the same thing. Okay, right click, new. Okay, and change this to network. Okay, enable. Did I? Yes, server. And this round, instead of 502, 503. Okay, so and yeah, need to change this to TCP IP. Okay, let me double check this again. Okay, okay, good. Right click again and yeah, okay, good. So now the motive is to assign this output to over here input. Okay, but the challenge is if I create this, okay, there's no assignment for me. Okay, there's no assignment for me because there's no client for me to assign. Okay, so to solve this problem, I need to reach out to this task. Okay, right click and add this EDPS calculation. Okay, calc, or some people call calc. Okay, and press OK. So over here under this configuration, probably at the parameters, there's this parameter page. Let me see if there's one. Okay, right click under configuration and configure this dialog. Okay, so for my case, I would like to make it update every probably 10 milliseconds. Okay, there's choice to do it, but for my case is it will be in a cyclic manner of 10 milliseconds. Press OK. Okay, under this calculation, add new point. Okay, for my case, I will add total 20 point. Okay, 20 point. Okay, and yeah, I'm here already. So probably for the first 10, let me name it maybe from port port 502. Okay. Okay, for this port, the other 10 will be maybe from port 503. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so for the point maybe it's out out. Okay, out 0 to 9. Okay, likewise for the other side, it will be the same. Okay, let me configure this out and add an increment. Yeah. So does it start to make sense now? Okay. So for the rest, you just leave it as per what has been default. Okay. So let's switch out to the first server. Okay. And previously, there's no opportunity for me to key in the select the point. But now, wow. Okay, I get to see this. Okay, and it's actually tally with the thing that I did earlier. So my choice is this is actually port 502 out. So let me select the first 10. Okay, and press OK. So immediately you get to see this. Okay, so this is actually the holding register. So this is already in a holding register manner. Okay, change the address to a running number of increment by 1. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so likewise for the output you can do the same. The output for the second 503. Okay, so instead of we already assigned this 502, let's go to the 503 over here. Okay, and assign. Click to assign. So total got 10 also. Okay, and press OK. So look decent. Okay, and again the input register is from 0 to 9. Okay, save. Okay, you may save. Okay, let's try the input side. Okay, the input side. Okay, notice if I go back to this my screen share screen. Okay, it's actually whatever from here. Okay, is assigned to the input register of 503. Okay, which is 502 out assigned to 502 in input. Okay, let's try to do the input first. Okay, let me try to. So okay, this is the input. Okay, of 503. Right click again. Okay, and do the assignment. Okay, and the assignment is actually from 520. Okay, so I hope you get the idea now. Okay, and press OK. Okay, for this case, instead of holding register, I need to change all this to input register and change the running number. Okay, increment by 1. Okay, then likewise I do repeat the same over here, and starting from here. Yeah, good. Okay, so change this to function code to the input register, which is 4. Okay, and remember to change this running number also. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so you may save this project and download the program. Okay, which is 11. Okay, after download, remember to reach out to the web page of 192.168. Yeah, then admin. Oops, sorry. Maybe I changed to a better browser. Let me change to this browser because it comes with the it show you the password. The password is, oh, you didn't change. Oh, okay, good. KY, yeah. So double check the password. It's a bit complicated. It's actually small capital letter P percentage. Yeah, login. Okay, why I'm logging in? Because I need to activate project 11 by pressing this start button, and it's been activated. Okay, so it's been activated. Let's monitor this and press OK, and it's been monitored. Okay, for testing, let me open up the software pool software. So this is the first software pool software, and let's try to connect it up. Okay, Modbus TCP. Okay, 502 for the first one. Okay, and reaching out this IP address. So yeah, almost instantly you will start to get to see this connected. Okay, this is for function code 3. Okay, open a new one, and this is function code 4. Okay, this is 3. Function code 4 over here. Let's set up to function code 4. Yeah. Look decent. Okay, this is Modbus pool 1. Okay, let's open up another Modbus pool. Okay, remember this is 2 client. Okay, 2 client. And connect. Okay, change this to 503 and press enter. Yeah, look decent. Okay, let's create another block. Okay, this is 3. Let's put it here, and this is 4. Okay, let's set up this 4 to input. Okay, so the interesting part comes. Okay, so let me put this over here and put the other one over here. Okay, to test, okay, let me reach out to this 503. Okay, and maybe I change this value to 1111. Okay, so once I send this value, oh sorry, not at the input side. Okay, I should do it at the output side. Okay, and almost instantly the input over here will turn on. Okay, let me change this to another number. Okay, maybe 2222. Okay, and you see when I press OK, you see over here it will change to 2222. Okay, if we reach out to the client, if we reach out to this, you should see this value also change to 222. Okay, and it's actually turning on the task value over here. Okay, and the value. Okay, if you get to see 0, okay, I think it's not updated properly. Okay, what you need to do is you just need to click this and click this again, and click this again, and yeah, then you get to see this value over here. Okay, so likewise, if I do the reverse over here, okay, probably if I click 3333, okay, and almost instantly this guy will change. Okay, so with this I end my presentation. Thank you.